In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a card in Trello step by step. If you're managing projects, planning YouTube content, or organizing tasks on a Trello board and you want to permanently remove a card, this is the correct way to do it. A lot of people get confused because the delete option doesn't appear right away, but don't worry, I'll show you the proper method. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board where your card is located. In this example, we're going to the YouTube planning board. You can access your board either from your workspace homepage or directly using the board link. Once you're inside the correct board, you'll see all your lists and the cards inside them. Next, find the card that you want to delete. Click directly on the card to open it. This will bring up the full card view where you can see the description, comments, checklist items, attachments, due dates, and other details associated with that card. Now here's the important part. On the right-hand side of the card window, you'll see a menu panel with different options like Edit, Share, Move, Copy, and Archive. To permanently delete a card in Trello, you cannot delete it immediately. Trello requires you to archive the card first. So go ahead and click on Archive. The card will now be removed from the list and marked as archived. At this stage, it is no longer visible on your board, but it hasn't been permanently deleted yet. Once the card is archived, you'll now see the delete option appear. This is why many users get confused. The delete button only becomes available after archiving. Click on Delete and Trello will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently delete the card. Confirm the deletion and that's it. Your card is now permanently removed from the board. Just to quickly recap, go to your board, click on the card, open the card menu, click Archive first, and only then click Delete to permanently remove it. That's all there is to it. Now you know the correct way to delete a card in Trello without getting stuck looking for the delete option. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Trello tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.